When you're busy and stressed out, let's face it, time isn't your friend. So when you're able to carve out just 15 to 30 minutes of your precious time for some deep rest, especially in the middle of your busy day, you want to make sure it counts. This video takes you through how to set yourself up for deepest relaxation in your Yoga Nidra practice. Hi and welcome back to my channel. I'm Jaime at Light Spoon, feeding your mind, body, soul. On this channel, you'll get lifestyle design and easy hacks you can squeeze into your busy day just like today's, and other times you'll get nutrition, yoga, and meditation videos, all tools to help you stress less yet accomplish more. So hit that like button and subscribe if you want more like this. Now, I'm a wellness coach trained in nutrition, yoga, and meditation, but I am also an executive producer in one of the world's top creative agencies, frequently shooting with celebrities and pro athletes. So I know what it's like navigating a busy, full-on life. In the past month, I've been on a 19-day production spanning 4 continents, shooting remotely from home because global pandemic, which means shooting at odd hours, sometimes from 1 a.m. to 1 p.m. or sometimes working 19-hour days. Of course, it's not ideal to be working those hours, but if you find yourself in the same situation as well, recognize that it's not forever, and while you're in the middle of the storm, you need to change up your daily rituals to help support your present moment. So, what do I do in these hyper-stressed, sleep-deprived times? I give myself 15 to 30-minute Yoga Nidra breaks. It's like taking a souped-up nap, almost equivalent to the rest you'll get from 2 to 3 hours of deep sleep. You can watch this previous video on all the science-backed research on what is Yoga Nidra and why it's one of my best-kept stress-busting secrets, especially when you can slide it into the middle of your busy day. How do you ensure you get the deepest relaxation possible? I've got some suggestions here and sometimes links to products that might help you along with discount codes. Do note some of these are affiliate links. It just means I make a small commission on every qualifying purchase at no extra cost to you. It simply allows me to continue making these hopefully helpful videos to you. Okay, here we go. Number 1, you want to turn off all notifications. If you're giving yourself a timeout, give yourself a timeout. Number 2, go into do not disturb mode. Whether you're working from home with a partner or kids around, ensure you lock yourself in a quiet room where you won't be disturbed for the next 15 to 30 minutes. Give yourself this timeout. Number 3, get comfy. Whether this means getting into sweatpants, grabbing a blanket, cushions, pillows, anything you need to support and enhance your practice of Yoga Nidra. This is one of the great things of currently working from home. It's easy to get comfy. Now, traditionally, you're laying down on a yoga mat in Savasana or corpse pose. But for some of us, this can get terribly uncomfortable if we've got a thin yoga mat or a really hard floor. So what can you do to make this experience a little bit more comfy? Here are some examples. You could use a thicker yoga mat like a Manduka Pro. You can watch this previous video I made and I'll also put a link to it in the description below. You can lay blankets or towels on your yoga mat to make it an even softer, plusher experience. You can place a yoga bolster or pillow under your knees, especially if your lower back tends to hurt after laying flat for too long, or a pillow under your head. And if a yoga mat on the floor is just a no-go zone for you, you can even lay on your sofa or in bed. Be careful though if you get too comfy and really start to fall asleep. Perhaps then you've gotten too comfy. Of course, with any of these props, you can always grab what you've got around you at home, but if you want my recommendations, I'll put all the links to all the yoga mats, blankets, bolsters, blocks that I recommend in the description below, with a discount code for my European viewers, still valid at the time of making this video. Now, even though Yoga Nidra is traditionally done laying down, you could choose to sit down in a chair or sit down on the floor or on a meditation cushion. You could even do this practice standing up or walking around the room. So try this in a few different positions and see what works best for you. Do you practice Yoga Nidra and what's your favorite way of getting comfy? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're enjoying this, do hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more like this. Number 4, use an eye pillow. Now, to really enhance the Yoga Nidra experience, especially if you're doing this in the middle of the day, I love using an eye pillow. This one by Yoga Clicks is one of my favorites. It's filled with wheat grains, so it's got a nice weight to it, like a weighted blanket for the eyes. It's also stuffed with lavender, so it's got a beautiful, relaxing scent. And what I love is that the exterior is like a pillowcase, so you can remove it to hand wash this easily. Great for hygiene. If you've seen any of my other yoga mat reviews, you know hygiene and me are a thing. What you want to do is place your finger in the middle of the eye pillow so all the wheat grains fall onto either side. Then place each heavy side lightly onto your eyes to encourage deeper relaxation with the weight, as well as shutting out daylight. These eye pillows come with different themed words embroidered on them. Mine says, "Breathe," as my constant reminder. And I've also got another link for you with a 15% discount off your first purchase on the Yoga Clicks website. I'll put that in the description below too. Number 5, another way to really focus your attention on the Yoga Nidra practice is to use headphones or earphones. This way, you remain undistracted to the sounds around you or outside the room. If you get a little more advanced in your practice, you might actually want to try it without the earphones and see if you're able to work with any distractions that might be around you, bringing that into your meditation practice as well. But otherwise, I find using earphones an instant way to draw my focus and attention straight into the guided meditation. If you have a smartphone, you probably already have a pair laying around the house. Otherwise, I love these Jaime Terra Pro Bluetooth wireless earphones. Zero cables is the way to go. I talk about them more in this gift guide video. I'll put a link to it below along with links to all the other products I mentioned before. Now, most Yoga Nidra sessions almost always start off with setting an intention and opening into your heartfelt desire, also known as the Sanskrit term of Sankalpa. This is where the juiciness lies. Beyond the moment of relaxation, this practice can take you so much deeper. But it's a whole different topic for a different video. I go into more detail about this in this month's email. I send out 5 good things to share every first Sunday of the month, and February 2021 is all about living with intention, connecting with your purpose in life, also known as your Dharma code. And you can sign up for it in the link in the description below. If you're watching this after February 2021 but want a link to this Sankalpa edition, let me know in the comments below, or you can send me a message on Instagram. My account details are up there. In my next video, I'll go into more on how you're being guided through in a Yoga Nidra session to bring breath, body, mind into equanimity. But if you want to just jump in already, try my 15-minute Yoga Nidra to help calm your mind during the day over here, or check out this playlist of all my other Yoga Nidra meditations over there. If you enjoyed this, smash like, subscribe. I hope this helps you flow through your busy life with more grace, ease, and flow, and I'll see you in the next one.